and welcome back to the next day of the Advent Calendar unboxing. This is the Winter Critters one. I still have to do the puppy dog one. This is day 9, so we've got 9 reindeer flying, and look at our cute little Rudolph. Oh my god, I cannot wait to see these socks. So let's try and real carefully open the door. Come on, you. Without completely destroying it. Alright. And... Oh! It looks just like the one on the door. That is so adorable. Adorable. Oh my goodness! Oh! And the next one's the cat one, by the way. So, but, look at them! First off, my color. Secondly, we've got little Rudolphs all over them. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. I love it. I love it so hard. And the fact that they put Rudolph on my color even, like, so cute. Oh my goodness. Okay, so that was it for this one. These are always just real quick. So anyways, you guys know what to do. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a like. If you're not already and you'd like to be, click subscribe, hit that notification bell icon so you never miss an upload. Leave comments down below. Make sure you're following my social media accounts, my Facebook fan page, my Twitter, my Instagram, everything and more. It's all down below. And if you like what I do here on this channel and you'd like to help support it, the donation link, as always, is down in the description. Anyway, guys, till next time, bye-bye.